Welcome back to this video. We're in this continued series for Android Jetpack Compose tutorial, and today we're going to discuss about buttons. So I've already created a project here on Compose, and I'll first initialize this with a Compose function called button demo. I'll create this function down here, composable fun, or let's write private fun button demo. And I'll also use this as my greeting function here. So we can also see the preview. Currently the preview must be empty. There's only an empty screen here. So we're going to add a box component to this button layout, but first of all we'll add a column component. So this particular column will add a modifier here. So modifier equals to modifier dot fill max size. So this will use the entire height and width of my particular screen here, and also I'll add one more parameter. Horizontal alignment will be equal to alignment dot center vertically, center horizontally, and the third parameter will be vertical arrangement equals to arrangement dot center. Okay, so inside this we are going to define a button. So we'll use a button here. Will not fill this on click for now, but we'll just use the parameters and then create a text compose for this particular case and use sample button. So you see that this particular center horizontal alignment has brought down to the center, to the horizontally centered part of the screen, and then this vertical alignment has then dropped this particular button to the center. If I remove these two, you can see that my button goes back to the leftmost part of the screen. So I think you understand what alignment and arrangement does now. Okay, we'll continue with our buttons. By the way, similarly I'll try to create another button. So not provide anything here, but I'll try to change the colors or the background color of my particular button. So this will be color is equal to sorry, I should have done this here. So colors equals to button defaults dot button colors and a container color, and then color dot maybe a red color here. So my button background is now red in color. So I'll again add a text compose here, simply writing red button. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll also add another button. Basically what we're going to do here is we're going to use multiple colors on the text of this particular button. So I can define a text. Let's write multiple and then provide a color to this particular text. So color dot maybe red. So multiple is in red color. I'll have another text representing colors, and then I'll keep this color as color dot, let's say, black. So you see that we can also define button where text is in multiple colors. We can also add some drawables or some images to our button, and for that I'm going to try out with another button. So button, I'm going to leave my on click part as it is. What I'm going to do is add an image, and then define a painter resource inside paint, and my image will come from drawable. I have this IC launcher foreground by default, and then I'll also have this content description, and I'll keep this as null for now. So once I have my image, I'll keep a text. I'll just copy it from the top here, remove the color part, and then type in button with image. Okay, so here is my another type of button here. The size of this particular content is very huge in comparison to the previous three buttons because the size of the image is huge too. So now the last one, I'll try to create a button with custom rounded corners. So let's define a button. Basically define border, sorry, for this one I'm going to define a shape. So my shape will be custom rounded corner, and I'll keep this as 15 dp for now. So you can see now that my button has very customized kind of corners. So button with custom corners. Okay, this is my another kind of button. I'm going to implement one last kind of button where I'll have the border color and a transparent background. So let's add some more content here. So border equals to border stroke, and my sorry, this should be inside of this bracket here. So border stroke, my border stroke will be just 1 dp for now, and then I'll have a border color color dot red. Okay, I'll add one more property here, which is colors. Colors is button defaults, button defaults dot outline button colors, and my content color is going to be color dot red. So as you see, I have a transparent button but with red border, and I'm going to type a text which contains button with rounded corner. And because now I will change this color to maybe green, and you can see that the text color is now changed to green. So the color defined here will define the color of the border, and the color defined below will define the color of the text. Okay, so I think this is all for this video. I hope you understood the concept of the implementation of button along with the different properties. So if you have any problem, do comment down below and I'll try to help you out. We're continuously uploading new contents every day, almost every day. So please like and share the video if you like our content, and do subscribe to the channel, because I've seen that most of you who watch these videos do not subscribe. So your subscription will be important to us in continuing further. So do subscribe. I'll see you soon in the upcoming video. Thank you.